you for tuning in to Bitcoin Crypto News online. Too much downtime here, and I lost my. Oops, let me do this again here. Sorry. Too much downtime, and I lost my login here. So I'm going to log in. Okay, here we go. All right. Yes, Bitcoin came down. We hit that 100,000, and we were so happy. If you are a regular subscriber, you know the last thing we talked about was a potential price drop or a retrace, and that was what we saw yesterday. Let's take a look at CoinGecko for our coin market. So, interestingly, last night, even though the Bitcoin price dropped, I saw the market cap go up to almost, we were very close to 3.8 trillion, I believe it was. And now we are seeing the panic, right? So, Bitcoin dropped, people decided to grab some money. But we'll look at why this really happened. Bitcoin seems to be the leader of this. But even though we're back down to 95, I think if you look at the trend, we can't look at the hourly, but our hourly yesterday when it first dropped, it was kind of an upward trend, and then now we're losing it. So yeah, it looks like it could be. I was hoping again that it would be one of those really super quick drops and corrections, but now it's looking like it could be a few more days. Yeah, it actually was on the hourly. We were looking like a cup and handle on the hourly. So I was kind of thinking last night, I was like, well, maybe we're going to go up, but it didn't happen. We took another little drop. But if you look at the market, it is, it's starting to do that rolling hill thing again. If you've watched my channel, I'm not a technical analysis guy, but we've been pretty good at finding some of the micro trends. When we look at the charts and look at some of these basic patterns, it's not always foolproof, but, yeah, a little bit of a correction. So in the long run, we're still in this cup and this handle. I do believe that, that this dip is like that one, and this dip may be this one. So I think we still have a long way more to go. I don't know if you can see that little dip there, but go to CoinGecko.com and look at the max market tracking. And you can see that little ridge right there, and then you see a little ridge right here, and that's kind of where I believe we're at. We're at this second ridge here that we may see. We may see a bigger drop. I don't know. The market is so hot, it's really hard to say. So let's go back and look at our top 10 coins. It was snowing this morning. You can see I'm on the road again. But we've got Bitcoin followed by Ethereum, XRP, BNB, Solana, Dogecoin, Cardano, and Tron at number 11, followed by Avalanche, Sui, Toncoin, Chainlink, Stellar, Shiba Inu, Hydra, Polkadot, Wealthcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Leo token, Uniswap, BitGet token. This is one that's kind of rocketed up in the ranks, I think. I don't remember seeing this one. Litecoin at 27, followed by Pepe and Hyperliquid. Looks like some serious profit taking may have been done there because it's back down to space number 27. We had seen that do a jump up. So the market is moving around a little bit. Our fear and greed, we'll look at that real quick. We're at the 70%. So as people took profit, the fear and greed is starting to go down again. We will probably see the market hopefully go up before it goes too far the other way. Let's look at and the fear and greed chart that I look at is today is alternative.me. So plug out to them. Let's see if we can look at the time chain calendar and see how we're doing on Satoshis. I believe they are back on sale again. So that's nice. We can get over 1,000 Satoshis, 1,400, or excuse me, 1,048. Let's look at our Bitcoin price prediction from CoinCodex. Has gone down a little on the 5-day. I think we were looking at like 107 yesterday. We're at 105 for the 5-day prediction, 118 for the 1 month, and 136 for the long term. And I don't see our altcoin season here, so we may skip that. But yeah, we're going to look at that article in a minute. I want to thank you guys for liking and subscribing. Let's just take a look at some of the hot news articles that are out there. CoinSlate tells us that Vitalik Buterin here is championing the decentralized defense against all risks. Czech National Bank considers Bitcoin for reserve diversification. Ripple partners with Chainlink to enhance the RLUSD, that's a stable coin, with secure data feeds. Coinbase secures a important win in a legal dispute with the SCE, and the crypto community is quite happy over that. So we've got a lot of things going on. Yeah, we've got a lot going on. So that is good news. Here is some good bull stuff. I'll save that for last. We'll look at our main article. If we have time, we'll look at that. Other hot news articles from Cointelegraph is the U.S. Fed money printing is going to spur a rally in 2025. That's I think it's Arthur Hayes. I saw his article wrote up in a few different spots this morning. Trump dump risk pulling Bitcoin price down to 88K. That could happen. I don't know. I don't know that it will correct that much. It might though. If we do a 20 to 40% correction, definitely we would see something like that. So why is Dogecoin down? I wanted to look at that. I don't know if I pulled that one up. Hyperliquid here, according to CoinDesk.com, is responding to scrutiny over lack of decentralization. So a little bit of a slump there, 15%. Starkware launches alpha chains on Starknet with new developer toolkit. So a lot of things going on. MicroStrategy trading volume is the same or equal to the top 7 U.S. tech stocks. So a lot going on there. Let's take a look at why our market fell. Cointelegraph.com. Again, please like and subscribe. We really depend on you guys to build the channel. I just don't seem to be in the right algorithm here on this on our provider here. But if we can get some subscribers and some likes, that will certainly help me get out of this. I have made them mad with some of the things I've said, I believe, and because everything stopped a few weeks ago. So thank you guys for liking and subscribing. Anyway, William Subberg tells us here that the relative strength index fails because it's oversold. And it is the most oversold since BT price. And what happened here is because it's oversold and people are leveraging against the market, they're expecting it to, skyrocket forever, and so they bet that way, and then it goes the opposite market way, and they all get liquidated. So this is just the way it goes. Bitcoin and trading and options, it tends to disappoint the most people. So the short-term bounce as one of BT price metrics sinks to its lowest level in several months, according to Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView. It says we are deeply oversold conditions for the Bitcoin USD relative strength index. And here you can see the price dip sends the relative strength index back to October ranges. Here is the chart right here showing that we are oversold, and that is what is weakening the price. Traders can make these bets against the future on the uptrend or the downtrend, just as we said, and it gets overbought, and then the market liquidates them very quickly because of this overreaction, and then we see a dip. So that's how it works. That's how it works. Bitcoin traders still see new lows in January. Yeah, we've seen it a couple times now. So back to 76,000. That I don't know. I don't think we're going to see that. 88,000, 88K is kind of the lowest I'm seeing, but some people have predicted even as low as the 70s. So you got to be prepared for these ups and downs. If you're not accustomed to the crypto market, well, welcome aboard. Here it is. This is the way it is. Let's look at some positive news. We want to prepare for the next crypto bull. That's what we believe in. The um, Tribune here, media, I think it is. Oh no, Tribune, and this is India.com, but it's written in English, and it is typically an English um, organization. It says from 100 to 10K, prepare for the next crypto bull run now. And the biggest rally of the year, is it already here? Are we looking forward to it? All these things. It looks like that we, according to Marcus Thielen, founder of 10X Research, he forecasts a strong market fueled by the biggest rally of the year, saying that it may have already came, but we're ready for a slight rally, a significant rally in January with Bitcoin leading momentum. And he goes on to say that we cryptocurrency companies can likely turn $100 into $10,000. He's pushing this Dex Boss, DEBO, leading the list with this high growth potential. So it sounds like kind of a pitch here, but he's positive for the market overall, and kind of pitching that his little coin there, and that's probably why it's out of India. But we have looked at the market. We see that cup and handle, and we know that we are going to see some big market gains here pretty soon. So I hope you are prepared. If you are in the altcoin market, sorry I didn't have the altcoin chart up this morning, but we're still mid-level on altcoin season, so be prepared for maybe a drop for a while, but the market is wild and we are headed into a bull market. Not investing advice, but just looking at the charts and the cycles, the 4-year cycles, and nobody is pulling out millions of dollars left and right. It's just liquidation. So I think the market is still pretty strong for gains. So that's all I got today. I'm going to keep it real short. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day. Goodbye.